Today, we're diving into something that's absolutely essential for overall fitness and health, building a super strong core. Whether you're an athlete, a gym enthusiast, or just someone looking to improve your fitness, a strong core is the foundation of all movement. Stick around because we're going to cover everything you need to know to strengthen your core and see real results. Hey everyone, welcome to Fit for Health. I'm Nancy. Imagine having rock-solid abs, better posture, and improved balance and stability. Sounds amazing, right? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to make that a reality. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why a strong core is so important. Your core is much more than just your abs. It includes your obliques, lower back, and the muscles around your pelvis. A strong core enhances your overall strength, protects your back from injuries, and improves your posture. First up, the plank. Start in a push-up position but rest on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. Next, we have bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and bring your knees to a 90-degree angle. Alternate touching each elbow to the opposite knee in a cycling motion. This targets both your upper and lower abs as well as your obliques. Another great exercise is leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight. Slowly lift your legs to a 90-degree angle and then lower them back down without touching the floor. This exercise is great for targeting your lower abs. Lastly, we have the bird dog. Start on all fours. Extend your right arm and left leg simultaneously, keeping them in line with your body. Hold for a few seconds and switch sides. This move strengthens your core while also improving balance. These exercises, when performed correctly and consistently, will significantly improve your core strength. For the best results, incorporate them into your workout routine at least 3 times a week. If you want more tips and tricks for your fitness journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Building a strong core isn't just about exercise. Your diet and recovery play a huge role too. Eating a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs fuels your workouts and helps build muscle. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water. Recovery is equally important. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. And consider adding yoga or stretching to your routine to keep your muscles flexible and prevent injury. To build a strong core, focus on consistent exercise, proper form, good nutrition, and adequate recovery, and you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment with your favorite core exercise. Subscribe to Fit for Health for more fitness tips and tutorials.